What's up guys, I'm Misako Rocks. Today, let's draw Pompompurin as a manga girl. Super kawaii, let's go. Alright, so what I'm going to draw is, this is going to be the guideline. She's holding Pompompurin as a plush toy right there. And this is her, okay? And then once you finish drawing that part, oh, not this side. Sorry about that. This one, we're going to start drawing her curious, kawaii eyelid. Okay, let's draw something kind of like this. 1, 2, and 3. I kind of like the fact adding a little bit of like a pointy eyelash on a kind of more like in this area. Okay, and she's looking Pompompurin. She's holding right around the chest. So we're gonna have a little bit of distance like this. And then let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. That would be great. And then can you draw same thing other side? Okay, I'm gonna slightly tilt it. Okay, here we go. And we're gonna add eyebrows a little bit later. I think today we're gonna draw a bunch of not draw. Sorry, what am I trying to say? I just always forget what I'm trying to say. Okay, I'm just gonna clean up my brain inside a little bit. What I'm trying to say is we are going to use tons of different type of a brown and yellow today. Okay, is this good? Right? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this side got a little bit of lower. Somehow I need to fix. Maybe not. But good. Okay, and the nose here, okay. Oh, inside, can you draw bubble, black bubble, and also another sort of like, yeah, just a line, curved line like this. And I want today to draw softer, not too energetic smile. That means we're not gonna draw not wide so much, and the edge is a little softer, right? And then not opening it too much. Everything is just more, a little bit smaller than normal. Okay. Then we're gonna start drawing her face line, and she's wearing a cute little hat too. So that's gonna be important part. I want to have a really nice space on the top. Okay, today. So here I'm gonna tilt it like this. Here. Here, in like this, right? And her chin's gonna be, yep, around here. Tilt it here. Go like that. Nice wide cheek. This side too. Kind of like this. Hold on, wait a minute. I think this side the cheek got a little bit higher, but I think it's fine, right? Yeah, it's cute. If you can sort of like maybe fix the angle a little, do so. I can't do any more, so I'm just gonna keep going. Still, it's cute, so it's fine. All right, and then now we're gonna add, sorry, my cat's kind of staring at me. Eyebrow, ribbon on the top. And let's draw kawaii, kind of like the bangs is going to be side to side, okay? Here like that. More like this. Wait. So it's kind of a heavy but fluffy same time. You know what I mean? I think that's kind of important. What I notice when I draw Sanrio characters as a like more manga character like this, in this case, the hair or kind of like the style, I want to make sure that fluffy, cute plush toy Sanrio is in there, but not heavy looking. So that's kind of important. Yeah, I kind of want you to sort of, what am I trying to say? Yeah. Kind of a feel it. Okay. And then let's draw side here. Okay, something like this. All right. Good. Then on the top, I'm gonna go a little bit more like that. We're gonna draw, okay, this hat. What do you call it in English again? Yeah. Wait, I think it's kind of that. Beret? In Japanese, we call it beret. Beret ball. So I'm assuming that the same thing in English, but is it R? Again, well, if you noticed, okay, like a native Japanese speaker like me, R sound can be tough, guys, can be tough. So I sometimes said R sound more L sound. So sometimes if you don't understand, just remember that, okay? Yes, thank you, thank you. All right. Any what? We drew cute little hat. Oh, and then Pompompurin. Here, the ears. Okay, and we're gonna draw kind of a relaxed, braided hair. That's what I meant. So go like this. Here, okay. Here, and then go like that. Other side, right side, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 is enough. And then maybe some kawaii accessory. I'm gonna go slightly up. Go like that. Height. What more? Kind of like messy, right? Some of them looking in, out, and then different lengths. If you kind of mix it like this, that would be awesome. And then let's do the same thing other side. We're gonna add more like a little hairlines here and there later. But so far, this is good. And then this side, okay? Gotta make sure kind of like same style, same size. Right, what do you think? Good? Left, right, right, left, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, the last one got a little bit too small, but good, really good. Again, art, you gotta be flexible, guys. Yeah, you can't be, you don't wanna be like my character Emma, which she has perfectionism. You know what I mean? That's why it's hard for her to let things go. She's a little bit of based on me, so that's why I know her feeling. It's hard to let go, right? But for the art stuff, if things not working, still keep going, because you never know. In the end, it's gonna look really pretty. So try that. Keep going, keep going. Okay. So this is good. And then let's draw cute little neck. Oh, I gotta maybe stop pushing up a little. Wait. And what I want to introduce you today, this kind of like kawaii outfit. So it's more high neck, tank top, but she's wearing oversized sweater. So shoulder like this, right? And before we draw her arms, we're gonna draw Pompompurin right there. So let me kind of switch. Now I'm gonna keep going using this one. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna draw Pompompurin, cute little hat, beret. Is it beret? You know what? I'm gonna get going because I don't want to stuck in just R or L sound right now. So let's go. Right. His ear, I'm gonna go like that. So his face, body shape, everything's connected. It's too simple. So sometimes really simple shape, it's hard to draw. So hat, ear comes in right away, both sides, right? And face line here, and it's not gonna go in. Face, body, Keep going. Maybe just slightly in, kind of like it. Kind of like that, yeah. And then let's draw cute little hand. Okay, so this is nice. After you finish drawing Pompompurin, now this relaxed oversized sweater comes in, and then we're gonna draw sweater here. Okay, I'm gonna go more in like this. Here, kind of like that. Okay, and we're gonna add a little more fabric wrinkle lines here, and then let's draw eyes, nose, and lips. And I want to draw, you know what, let's just draw eye, round, really round, and I want you to draw 3 shiny circles. Okay, and then let's draw nose in the middle. Wow, I can't mess up. So I think I'm doing a pretty good job. I'm kind of proud of this. Oh, I try not to cover the drawing so much. How is it? Good? Hi. Oh, I kind of forgot breathing. Okay, so cute. Now let's erase some pencil lines. We're gonna start coloring. Okay, let's go. If you love kawaii manga, you will love my new middle grade graphic novel, Double Trouble, Lost in Japan, Bounce Back Volume 4. This time, main characters are twin sisters, Angie and Akira. They're going to travel to Japan with Bounce Back characters. They're gonna explore Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto. This fun adventure is packed with kawaii stuff, Japanese pop culture, friendship drama, and lots of excitement. Scan a QR code to pre-order your copy. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so colors going to be, 2 or 3 colors. That's going to be kind of important today. So her skin tone and maybe 2 different type of browns, which is going to be a little bit of reddish brown, and if you have a little darker brown, that'd be nice. And then more yellow not yellow. And then maybe a little bit of pink too. So on the other 4 tones, that's what we're gonna use. Okay, so let's start adding skin tone and hair. Let's go. So first, yes, skin tone, right? Skin's gonna be here, here, here. You can see that. And her hair, I want to use a little like reddish brown if you have. Kind of like this tone. But her hat and the tank top. Oh, and then Pompompurin's hat. This is going to be reddish brown, but hat and her clothes, tank top, is going to be a little darker brown. Okay? Let's do it. All right, let's go. Okay, now we're gonna start coloring her ears. Okay, Pompompurin ear. Can you also add a color body? Inside of the eyes and nose, it's going to be black. So actually, if you can use this black pen or black color pencil, that would be great. Okay, here, kawaii. Okay, so let's do here just a little bit. And a don't color inside our bubbles, okay? Like this. Da, 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 da. Wait. Okay. So cute. Oh, let's do inside of our eyes. Almost done, guys. So first, little bit same tone as her hair. Okay, not inside of our bubbles, okay? Kind of like this. Then can you switch to darker brown? Okay. Just the two, maybe 1/3 of it, just the top. A little bit darker. If it's not dark enough, I realize mine's not that dark. I'm gonna use black pen to add a little more extra here, kind of a color. Adding just the extra black lines on the top, kind of like this. It's just more add a drama. You know what I mean? So try that. Then cheek. Well, actually go little. Cheek. Inside of a mouth. Oh, here too. Cheek. If you want to add some shadow, especially here, her sweater, you can use pencil, add a little lines like this. Kind of like that. Oh, sorry, I didn't show you. Yeah, this is what I meant. Okay? Alright, so lastly, what we're gonna do is we're gonna write down Pompompurin. I'm gonna write down Pompompurin in Japanese. It's kind of a long. Okay, you ready? Alright, same time I'm gonna kind of explain. Oh, here. Okay. Hi, well, maybe from here. Po, this is po, mu, po, mu. Quick sort of like lesson about this Japanese word. Pomu is the sound of the bouncy kind of like pom pom pom. That pomu, okay? And a pudding is a pudding. So li. Oh, I'm gonna make it a little bit up here. Pomu pudding. Here we go. We drew. So cute. Good job. Ta-da! We drew Pompompurin as a manga girl. So cute. I hope you enjoyed. If you have more requests, write it down here, okay? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you next video. Bye-bye. Arigatou. One more thing. Take a look at my book collection, my graphic novel series, Bounce Back, and activity book series, How to Draw Kawaii Manga. Arigatou.